Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will walk you through the easy step-by-step process of registering for an Allstate insurance policy. Whether you need auto, home, or life insurance, we aim to make the process as simple as possible. Step 1. Visit the Allstate website. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Allstate website at www.allstate.com. This is where you can find all the information you need about the different types of insurance policies they offer. Step 2. Choose your insurance type. Once on the website, navigate to the Insurance tab located in the main menu. Here, you will see various options such as auto, home, renters, and life insurance. Click on the type of insurance that you are interested in. Step 3. Get a quote. After selecting your insurance type, look for a button or link that says Get a Quote or Start a Quote. Click on it, and you will be directed to a new page where you will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and details about your insurance needs. Step 4. Fill out the information, complete the required fields in the quote form. This may include vehicle information for auto insurance or property details for home insurance. Make sure to provide accurate information, as this will affect your quotes and coverage options. Step 5. Review your quotes. Once you've submitted your information, Allstate will provide you with multiple insurance quotes. Take your time to review these quotes carefully. Consider factors such as coverage limits, premiums, and deductibles to find the policy that best fits your needs. Step 6. Customize your policy. If you find a quote that you like, you can often customize your policy by adding or removing coverage options. Look for any add-ons or discounts that may apply to you to further enhance your policy. Step 7. Create an account. To proceed with purchasing your policy, you will typically need to create an Allstate account. Click on Sign Up or Create Account and fill in the necessary information, including your email address and a password. This account will allow you to manage your policy easily in the future. Step 8. Complete the purchase. After creating your account, follow the prompts to finalize your policy purchase. You'll need to choose your payment method and confirm your coverage options. Make sure to review everything before submitting your payment. Step 9. Review your policy document. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email along with your policy documents. Be sure to review these documents carefully to ensure all the information is accurate. We hope this step-by-step guide has made registering for an Allstate insurance policy easy for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content.